welcome to the Aphrodite Oracle. This agent is a tool that any researcher or writer doing research can use to accelerate the time needed to learn about a topic they're writing about, or educating themselves about, or educating others about. It's a RAG that's built to analyze a small set of user-provided research sources and lets users ask questions to extract the most important relevant knowledge from those sources. The benefit is speed, but also the opportunities this type of acceleration opens up to explore and investigate connections and meaning that might not otherwise be possible, either due to a lack of time or just because of an overwhelming number of resources that need to be synthesized. So let's get started. There is a text-to-speech option, but it's not working right now as I am using the microphone to record this demo. This is a broad question, but here we go. This information is a summary of 14 different documents, and you can see the citations here, and the excerpts from the specific document referenced are included to help establish confidence and trust. There's also suggestions for additional questions. I've got some already set up to show the range of information that you can learn from this RAG. So this information is not only helpful, but in addition to just giving a simple date, it gives some context around the earliest mention of Aphrodite. And as mentioned before, there are citations that will help establish confidence. Let's try and summarize some specific information. Part of the reason for this research is to find out information beyond the typical understanding of who Aphrodite is. And so this RAG allows for context that predates the typical mentions of Aphrodite, but are still part of the story. Let's format this in a little more structured way to help with a potential article or book chapter. And as you can see, we've got the pre-history of Aphrodite and the post-history of Aphrodite included, with some information that is structured in a way that allows for analysis or further writing. This can be turned into a slideshow, a video, blog post, social media post if that's of interest. But it's extracted the information from these broad documents to make it more actionable. Finally, we're going to take a look at some reasoning, taking a look at not just Aphrodite, but her impact on and reflection of the culture surrounding the societies which she was a part of. This is really helpful to dig through all these documents and find the specific citations of this point, which is the thesis of the paper I'm working on. So you can see this application could be used for any type of topic, for any type of writer or researcher. It was a real challenge to get it to be accurate. I had to learn a lot about data formatting and chunking and prompt work, and I got a lot of great help. So I'd like to thank everyone there who contributed to this success.